Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you doing? I hope you're well. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. As you can see, the sunrise beautifully looking them. And yeah, I decided to start my day early today so that I can take care of my garden. So yeah, first things first, stretch them arms. Brush them teeth, yeah, yeah, and ready we are to start the day. So yeah, I had planned to take care of my garden, and I chose this day because it is a Saturday, and that's the time where I get a few hours in the morning to do what I need to do before I can start with my other commitments. So yeah, here we go. Let's go get them. I literally had to drag myself, believe it or not, because I sleep late creating content. I sleep late roaming the YT streets. So yeah, I was a bit tired and I had to drag myself. 5 a.m. ain't no joke on a Saturday morning. So yeah, I am on my way to get water and I start feeding my vegetables and my plants. I call it feeding them because water is source of food for them. So yeah, 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 yeah. I am. I'm yet to make an irrigation system. Like my yard is big. Is big. So I need like an irrigation system which can take the water all the way from here and take it all over the yard, so that I don't have to do this long walk to freedom of having to fetch water. It's a bit far. It's a bit far, and you can see the garden are spread out differently in different places all throughout the yard. So yeah, it's good exercise though. I'm not complaining much. So I'm gonna start all the way up there. That's actually where I have my flowers, and I'm trying to create a park, where I can come and just early morning, sip some coffee, watch the sunrise. So yeah, as you can see, I'm not really doing a good job. I literally have not been taking care of this garden. Lots of commitments, but yeah, I'm starting to make time. So every morning on the weekends, this is what I'm gonna do, so that we can get that grass back. This grass was once upon a time green. Believe it or not, evidently it's not showing, but yeah, it was. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of work to get it back to the green pastures, as I can say. So that's where the bears come and get their water. So I'm just refilling it for them. I created that so that the bears can have their water source. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this small garden there, and yeah, these are tomatoes. These are tomatoes. So this is the smallest garden. I have got three. So this is the smallest one. So hence I'm starting with it and just watering the tomatoes there. So we have tomatoes there, and also we have chilies, the red pepper. It is behind me there, and then also beetroot is also planted there, and beans are also there. So now this is the second one. This cabbage here, and as you can see, this cabbage, if you have checked my previous videos, we've been eating the cabbage. So I think only one, two, three, four left. So all those holes, all those empty spaces in between, you see, it was full of cabbage there. But obviously, yeah, we've been feeding on it prematurely. That is because we just couldn't wait. We just eating it as it is. But then these ones, I'm leaving them so that it can fully mature. Then we can harvest it when it is fully mature. As you can see inside there, it's showing positive vibes. So there we go, there we go, there we go. So the other ones, we just decided to have them as they are because we just couldn't wait. We just couldn't wait. We couldn't wait. So yeah, and then Those are the tomatoes on the other garden. So yeah, yes, you can see they are growing and soon to be harvested. Some of them I've started to harvest them because the insects and the bugs are just enjoying them before I enjoy them. So sometimes I just take them and then I put them in the kitchen. Then they just ripen there in the kitchen. Because if I leave them here for long, the bugs are just enjoying. They're just enjoying all my hard work. So yeah, sometimes when I see them turning like they are now, that color, I literally take them out. So what you can see in the middle there is corn. So we decided to just put it in the middle there is corn. So yeah, as you can see, the sun is rising proper there, looking beautiful, 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 beautiful yellowish color. Yeah, yeah. So there we go. I'm taking more water and then just making sure that we get the vegetables and the plants proper fed. Beautiful, beautiful scenery. Beautiful, beautiful. The sun is rising up beautiful then. So yeah, what I'm busy watering there is actually beetroot, which I also planted there. So it's still a bit young, but yeah, maybe in the next 3 weeks it should be showing a bit of growth. Yeah, we still have a long way to go with that beetroot. I just literally moved it. It was planted elsewhere. Then I just scattered it around here because that's where we used to have the cabbage, like I said. And yeah, this is my green onion and a little bit of green pepper there. And then I planted also chilies amongst the green peppers there in between. More of that beetroot there. Yeah, I think I planted a lot of beetroot because I think I enjoy it so much, and now and then I just make it and then have it and enjoy it as it is, mixed with some vegetables. There are the beans. I want to close up there, looking beautiful, looking maturing properly. So yeah, I think I'm doing a good job. I think I'm doing a good job. I think the only place I'm failing is where I showed you initially there, where I want it to be a park. I think I'm not doing a good job there. So I need that grass to be green. Yeah, yeah. There are more vegetables there, being fed, washed. Yeah, they're literally getting a shower there. So yeah, we're taking care of my kids, feeding them proper. The one challenge I'm having with these vegetables is the birds. As you can see there, the birds are literally enjoying. So I think we have to share. So as long as they leave some for me, I'm not complaining. They can have some and leave some for me. So here we are. I'm back again at the park in the making. So no, I'm telling you, but you know what? I'm gonna update you. That grass is gonna be green. Even here, the grass is gonna be green. I'm literally gonna start taking care of the grass. I think, yeah, I literally need to do a better job. So there we go. These are the trees which I planted them. So we're just watering them and also the flowers. Yeah, because like I said, I've been away for a bit. So I was away, I think, for a good 3 weeks. So as you can see, the way I'm using that thing to water the garden, somebody else doing it for me, it will be too much of a job. So hence I'm saying I'm planning on doing an irrigation system which will automatically just be, it's a turn of a tap, literally it's a switch, then it will water itself properly. So yeah, I'm investing in that so that I can get an irrigation system which can run all throughout my yard. Then things will be simple. So even if I'm away for a couple of weeks, someone can just literally just turn the tap on, then that's it. So there are the mangoes. They're coming through. We here in South Africa, especially in my province here in Limpopo, we get our mangoes in December, anytime from November. Some get them earlier than that. In fact, from October, they start getting their mangoes. But where I am situated here in my village, we get our mangoes November, December. December is the perfect time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it has been a busy morning. As you saw, we started early hours of the morning before sunrise. Yeah, it has been a busy morning. So the sun is fully out now. And as you started with the video, you saw that I literally started doing my Saturday morning gardening vibes before the sunrise. So yeah, it has been, I think, a good 1 hour. But obviously the video won't. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me with my vlog, and I appreciate you dearly. Keep watching the content and support us. We appreciate you so much as a channel and as a community. It's good to engage. Much love, much love, much love, much love. See you on the next one. That's what's up. Natural vibes with me, TK. Thank you.